Today, I will show you people that are making thousands of dollars using just one single platform. And I will show you step by step how to replicate what they're doing and make similar amounts of money but doing far less work. Now, just before I show you everything, if you like this type of content and you'd like to see more, then support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below. And so you don't miss out on any future videos to come, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. With all of that said, let's now jump straight into the tutorial so I can show you everything. Alright, so this passive income strategy, guys, involves Amazon.com. This is a site I know 99% of you know about. It's one of the richest and biggest companies in the world today by far, and there are millions of people making money with Amazon, and I will show you how to become one of those people in this tutorial. Now, we will be focusing on one particular type of product on Amazon in order to get paid, which are Kindle ebooks. To get on the page I am on right now, what you can do is come over to Amazon's homepage, click right here where it says All, and then select Kindle, and from there you will want to click on Search. With that done, you will now want to find and click on Kindle ebooks right over here, or alternatively, you can just search for Kindle ebooks on Google and open up this page right here. In any case, when you come on here, you will see that there are people who are making a lot of money selling these ebooks. And this is exactly why we are focusing on them. They will allow you to get paid big time, but more importantly, I have a tool that will do all of the work for you, so stay tuned for that. Anyways, check this out. This random person I found selling this novel has had over 2,000 reviews, and this is selling, as you can see, for $18. So it's safe to say that this person has made upwards of $30,000, counting just the reviews alone. So consider the fact that most people do not leave a review, so the amount of money made is most likely much higher. And this isn't the exception. In fact, there are people like this person here who have made far more money. We have over 10,000 reviews, as you can see. This person here has over 36,000 reviews, and so on and so forth. The point being here that this has huge potential, and you can make a lot of money, most definitely. With that said, I will now show you exactly where you need to go in order to publish your ebooks and how to do it. And then I will show you a website that will do all of the work for you, as promised. Now, the site where you need to go to publish your ebooks is called kdp.amazon.com. And as you can see right here, this allows you to self-publish ebooks and paperbacks for free with Kindle Direct Publishing and reach millions of readers on Amazon. Now, Amazon, being a very, very popular website, has a big impact on the amount of money you can make. Since obviously when a site gets a lot of traffic, it increases the chances of someone buying your ebook. And as you've just heard, publishing an ebook is absolutely free to do, so you don't have to invest a dime into Amazon in order to get started at all. Furthermore, as you can see right here, publishing literally takes 5 minutes, so you won't be investing that much time into this either. Now, what I know many of you will want to know is whether or not this works worldwide. And it does, as you can see below. Earn up to 70% royalty on sales to customers in the US, Canada, UK, Germany, India, France, Italy, Spain, Japan, Brazil, Mexico, Australia, and more. Now, there are a few countries here and there where Amazon doesn't work for sure, but for most of you, this strategy will absolutely work. In any case, what you need to do on here is simply create an account by clicking on Sign Up right here. And from here, let's jump to the site that will be of immense help to us today. The site in question is called designrr.io. This is a website I know most of you have never heard about before. Now, I know what some of you will be thinking, which is that you have to pay this site. But as I will show you later on, you won't be investing any money up front. So please keep watching. Anyways, this site will allow us to make money from ebooks without doing any of the hard work by transforming your blog posts, podcasts, videos, and PDFs into ebooks, show notes, dynamic flipbooks, transcripts, PDFs, and web pages. Also, you can see on the right-hand side here the Amazon Kindle logo, so this particular site will indeed allow you to create those Kindle ebooks for Amazon. If you scroll down a bit, you will see it says, "Who is this for?" And as you can see, it's for content marketers, content creators, and most importantly for us, ebook creators. Write and publish ebooks using our built-in creator, or convert your web or Word content directly into PDF, Kindle format, and EPUB. This site will literally do the work for you in 2 minutes or so, and I will show you that in just a second. Now, right here, you can see in more detail how this actually works and how it allows you to create ebooks without doing anything. You first off need to choose your source. The source can be a website, content from Facebook pages, audio, video, and YouTube files, which get transcribed automatically in minutes, as you can see here. And lastly, PDF ebooks. When you choose your source and Designer creates the ebook for you, you will then review it in the editor where you can revise your draft content in an editor designed for writers and editors, or customize your transcript adding speaker names, video screenshots, block quotes, and highlights. Now, once you are done with this, what you will do from there is upload images to your book. You will then tweak it a bit, and finally, you will publish it. Now, by clicking on Features here and then on eBooks, you will be able to see that, as I said before, this will create your ebooks for you in literally 2 minutes. And check out what it says right here. All done quickly and easily, no design or technical skills necessary. No skills are required for this whatsoever. Just below that, you have this demo, which you can check out as well, and some more info, but I won't go over it. What I instead want to show you is that this site offers you a free trial, so as I said, you won't be investing any money up front. You can check this out for yourselves by clicking on pricing right here, and as you will see below, all of these 4 pricing plans, it says start free 7-day trial. This free trial is very important because it gives you time to make some money using this website. What you can do is create and publish several ebooks using it, and when you get a few sales, which you will thanks to the sheer amount of traffic Amazon gets, you will be able to reinvest that money back into this, so you can use it for a longer period. And we're not talking about a huge amount. This premium monthly plan only costs $50. Just think about how little that is in comparison to the sheer amount of money Amazon can make you by selling those ebooks. In any case, you've seen it, guys. This has huge potential. And thanks to this site here, you will be able to sell those ebooks without doing any work. Now, I do have to remind you that you won't be getting that many sales in the beginning, since you won't have any reviews, obviously. But once you do get a few reviews, you will start making more and more money from there. Anyways, this is it for today's video, guys. As always, if you liked it and you're enjoying my content, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up below to support my channel. And in case you don't want to miss out on any future videos just like this one, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll be notified whenever a new video pops up. As always, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you soon.